we're going to be picking blackberries and we're going to make blackberry and apple pie. So first we need to pick some blackberries. So, yeah. Oh, I found a really good one. That's so good. This is a limited edition one. If you didn't know, the red ones are really sour and you should leave them because they're still growing. And the ones that are like really soft, like not this one, because that's still red, always those are the sweet ones. Okay, now we're going to pick some apples, and I already picked one. We've already picked the apples and picked the blackberries, so now we just need to chop that. So,
careful with your finger. Okay.
I'm trying to do it like Mummy. Oh, I want to save the big one for last. And by the way, guys, always wash your hands before you do something. Well, cooking.
Good. Well done.
I tried to do it fast.
That was good, yeah. Okay.
Now for the final big apple.
How is it?
It's okay. Now let's cook the apples. First, we need to put the butter. My dad has already cut the butter for me. Wow, that looks so weird. Now I need to put the apples in. Okay, now we're gonna add the sugar. Don't worry, this is not a hot chocolate. This is sugar. Never do this alone. Always do it with the apple.
Right.
Now we're gonna pour.
Just a drop. Just a drop.
Now we're just gonna pour in some brandy.
Tiny drop.
One just tiny, tiny, tiny.
Cook it up. Just gives a nice fragrance.
What does it taste like?
Well, it's very alcoholic.
You don't have to put it in there. Now we need to put the lid on. Do I have to wait now?
Yep, let's leave it for a while.
Can I play outside? Now we're going to roll out the short crust pastry. Hopefully this is going to be the best pastry in the world. I know. Now we are going to do this part. Don't worry, it's going to be big enough. I think that's going to be big enough.
So, okay, so what you have to do is try and pick it up carefully. It's quite difficult and put it over, yeah? Without breaking it.
Okay, everyone. Just cross your fingers if you're watching this.
Okay, now we have to stretch it out. That's it. Just try to get it so it goes all around, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll help you a little bit with this.
No, I am independent. Yeah.
That's it. Tuck it in. That's it. Don't worry about the bits hanging over.
Okay.
Yeah. That's okay.
Oh.
Then you can just put a bit in there and fix it.
I know it's really bad.
I'm not sure if this is a professional way, but this is our way. Today. Because there's no mummy.
Mummy
That's it.
is vanished into mid.
And we're going to use that bit with the next one.
Now we need... Oh, never mind, that's okay.
Looking quite good.
This is
It's
our
the odd
way.
bit that needs a bit of fixing.
This is our way, guys. This is our way. I know it's terrible, but it's our way.
And after that, shall we put in the mixture?
No, we need to put in the filling.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Oh. Now we're going to put in the mixture. Actually, I'm not. My dad is. No, that bit. The apple is dying.
Go on then.
Okay, now I need to just spread it. Spread. And you've got to try this at home. This might not work out, but fingers crossed.
How's that going, Rose?
Good.
Don't eat.
I did not.
Okay.
Can I just lick?
No.
No. I need to try it.
Yeah. Just sprinkle that over. Don't touch it
I
on the
need
pie.
more.
Roll that out.
Now I am going to roll this out. Just move you to the side. I know you are the professional. And by the way, if you're new to this channel, my channel is called At The Johnsons and you should subscribe. Comment down below if you like this video and like it. If you like it. What is that? Salt.
Just a pinch of salt.
No pinch. There's no pinch.
That will make it sweeter.
No, it won't. That's salt, Dad. It's going to make it salty. It is.
Sure, it's covered over this bit. It's not quite.
Okay, we need more clay. Just use this bit. That's all you have to do.
Yeah, we can fix the bits like that, can't we?
I know this might be like the worst thing in the world, but it's going to be tasty. Even though it's not really.
Might not look amazing.
Yes, but it's going to taste amazing.
Yeah. Okay. So, what are you doing, Rose?
I'm trying it.
You know you need to have a few holes in the pie.
Okay, so we need a knife. First, we need to spread the egg mixture all around on the top of the pie.
And then the very last thing.
Sugar!
Get that corner. That's it. This looks terrible, this pie. Okay. Last thing, just sprinkle this sugar. That's enough, okay? So just sprinkle a little bit all over. This is a mess.
Just spread it with your fingers.
It's a mess, Rose.
Spread it with your fingers.
Oh God, look at this. We can't shoot this. We can't show this. It's going to look terrible.
It's okay. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Oh. Okay, now we took it out of the oven. I have finished. I know it really looks awful, but like this brown stuff is all the sugar that we put on at the end. And of course the filling wasn't that good, but it still looks like pie, kind of. It looks beautiful, and yeah, now we're gonna taste it. Now time to taste.
Zen's one's coming. Zen's one coming. Yeah, Zen. Ooh.
You look at me, look. Now look at.
Okay, Teddy, try.
Look.
Is it nice? Nice.
Now we'll see you next time. Like this video. Bye.
Say bye-bye, Zen. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.